ready to remove 7 centimeters of the bottom of the front fender, so it matches up with the step sides I already have removed 7 centimeters on, and the same with the consoles for the step sides. So I'm pretty excited, curious about the height and if these can touch the ground when the whole car is on the bottom of the suspension. So let's see if it all fits. Alright, here's where we're at. The front, the cap is where we want it, and step size is where we want it. Now we're going to prepare these consoles for the 4-link. Already starting to prepare to just clean the rear axle to be ready for welding, and then now I'm just gonna line the axle up after the frame, and then we are going to weld the brackets on. And next up after that is the arms underneath, so we take that after. So yeah, now I can't get further again. The upper consoles is just where I want it with the whole thing, and now I'm just waiting for the engineering to make a decision on where I have to have the front bracket for the lower bar and where to place the one on the rear axle. So while I'm waiting on that, I will do this fun part and cut the fucking hole in the cabin so I can get this thing inside. We want it to go like 20 centimeters in, that would say around 8 inch, just into the back of the seat. So this is gonna be exciting. Just take my grinder and plot a hole. Oh, yes, man. Holy Christ. Finally. That was tough. One man strong. But, yeah, it fits right. Like, I've seen it in my thoughts. So, I am so happy. Now I can make all the small things fit, and yeah, make the hole, of course, more nice than just cut. But yeah, the whole thing is just lining just the way I want it. Fuck yeah.